Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. So in the previous video, we discussed about the how to get the data from the database and how to aggregate the result, and we have seen the how to utilize to the wrapper class, how to build the wrapper class also we have discussed in the previous video. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the how we are going to display this aggregate result data or wrapper class data into the JS. Okay, let's deploy to this one first. So here we have to deploy by this one class. So this is the our method name now. Let's copy to this method name. Come to the JS. So here import from @Salesforce Apex slash. So here our class name dot method name. This is the our class name now. Dot method name. What is the our method name? This is the our method name. So here save. So in this we are getting another and handle change only we are writing the functionality. So imperatively calling by the our Apex class method name. This is the our method name. So here we have to take it by the so here sales representative. So here what we are getting the value C value, right? This is the C value. After that here we have to take it by the dot then result. So our result data we are going to store it now. So here customers data, just I'm taking the one property. So here this dot customers data equals to result. So save. If any errors, if you are getting to the catch block, we are going to take it by the here catch block. In this catch block, we are going to hold by the errors. So save. Now here we have to get it by the customers data, right? So now here we have to display by the data template. When we have the data only, we have to display. That's why here if true. So this is the our customers data, right? This is the customers data. So here table row, table header. So here we have to display by the customer name. So here total items. Total quantity, total amount. So save. So now here we have to our data in this customers data, right? Now here we have to take it by the template for each. We have to display by the each record now. So that's why here customers data. So here for item. So we have to take it by the customers data, right? C data. So now here we have to take it by the one table row. Each rows wise we have to display data, right? So TD. So in table row we have to mandatory for the key, right? In the key we are going to give it to the C data dot. So what is the our name? This is the customer name. Now this is the I'm taking to the here customer name. In table data also, we have to display by the customer name first. So we have to, after that, we are declare the variable is the total items. Now this is the total items. Next one is the total quantity. Total quantity. Next one is the total amount. So save. Let's deploy this one as well. Initially, we are writing imperatively calling by the apex class method. In this, we are passing to the what is we are selecting by the sales representative ID. Based on that, we have to then get the data from the apex class. What we are getting the data, we are displayed by in the table format. Okay. So let's come to the preview. Refresh by the page. So here we have to select by the person. So data is not populated. Let's see the issue. If it's true, customer data, this is the result, right? This is the sales representative result, sales rep ID. This is the sales customers data. Let's take to the here console log. We are fetching the data or not. We are checking to the here. JSON dot stringify this dot customers data. This is the customer data, right? Let's take to the this one and deploy. And let's take to the same. It might be getting any error. Let's check it by it is come to the error block. Error. Save and deploy. So let's refresh by the page here. So here we have to right click onto this consoles here. We have the invalid stn. This is the something. Okay, let's check it by the in the class. Okay, this is the STI, right? That is the problem. That's why it's not returning the data. Let's save and deploy. Total items STI, right? Here we are taking the, that is the problem here. STA. So let's refresh by the page. So let's come to the here. We have to select by the ID. See here, now it is populated in the data 8 and this is, I think we are going to display the same data into the lightning card. It might be it is ended by the here now. So save and deploy. So let's refresh by the page again. And the data also, if you want to display by the in the border, so here giving to the border equals to 1. So style, color equals to, we are going to give it by the blue. So save and deploy. So let's refresh by the page. See here, font color will be appear like this now. And table format, it is displayed. Total Abhigna Technology is the one of the customer name. Salesforce.com is the another customer name. Let's come to the here. Total items is the 8 now. So let's come to the here 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Total item is the 8 and this is the 3. This is the total appear here 3 and total quantity also 18 and 6. So like this, we are going to roll up the data and we have to display by the customer information. Based on each sales representative have the multiple customers, right? Each customer wise, how many items they are purchased, total items, how many they sold out, and the total amount which it is the generated from to the each customer. So we have to display by the in the table format or report form. This is so like this, we are going to display the data with the help of the wrapper class and aggregate result. I hope it's clear how we are implemented for the aggregate result and wrapper class, both combination. In which situations we are going to the wrapper class means we have the combined the data and displayed into the in the single table format. This is the table format, right? We are combining the data for the these data like customer name, items, quantity, and amount. So we have to the combined the data and displayed by the in the single table format. We are going to use it by the wrapper classes. And aggregate result also we are going to summarizing to the values, right? That's why we are going to use by the aggregate result to the in this use case. I hope it is helpful to you the use case. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the more real-time scenarios.